Fine, let us go with the problem number 7 here. Fine, yeah. Convert 131 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius scale, right? So we have to convert a Fahrenheit to Celsius, right? We know that. So C by 100, centigrade by 100 is equal to F Fahrenheit minus 32, that divided by 180. Just substitute, you are going to get the answer. Now C by 100 is equal to F they have given, that is 131 degrees centigrade Fahrenheit, 131 minus 32 divided by 180, right? C by 100, which is going to be 131 minus 32 is nothing but 99 by 180. So C centigrade scale, if I convert, that is 99 into 180 divided by 180, that into 100. Now cancel this and this, right? So 9 ones are 9 ones are 11 nines are 99, 2s are, this will become 11 into 10, that divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 5s are, the answer is what? 55 degrees centigrade. The answer for this is, when you convert 131 degree Fahrenheit to centigrade, that is going to become 55 degrees centigrade. This is the answer.